Hello, everybody. Stu Weinstock here from beautiful Miami, Florida. I'm a ketogenic lifestyle coach and school psychologist who's here to help you, encourage you, inspire you, motivate you, and lead you on to great successes in your ketogenic lifestyle and diet. And tonight's subject is a very pivotal one, especially for people just starting the keto lifestyle. And that is the subject of assessing your readiness for change. Yes, it's really key that we need to be predicting and assessing our readiness for positive changes in our ketogenic lifestyle and diet, because we are going to see many, many positive changes down the road if we stick to it and if we're consistent. So on a regular basis, evaluating your commitment to the keto success you are going to have is very valuable to embrace. Embarking on the ketogenic lifestyle and diet is a transformative journey that can lead to weight loss, increased energy, and improved mental health. But like any significant life change, everybody, sustaining long-term success requires more than just knowledge of low-carb recipes or a well-stocked pantry. A crucial but often overlooked aspect is, on a regular basis, assessing your readiness and commitment to the process. This self-evaluation can help you stay motivated, navigate those obstacles, and make sustainable progress a reality. So you might ask, why does readiness really matter in my life? Well, change is definitely challenging to most of us, even when the potential benefits are immense. The keto diet and lifestyle, with its restrictions on carbohydrates and focus on fats and proteins, can feel like a radical shift from traditional eating habits. Assessing your readiness means taking stock of your mental, emotional, and practical preparedness to embrace this new style of eating. Without this clarity and definition, it's easy to revert to old habits when faced with cravings, social pressures, or slow progress. Now let's speak about evaluating your readiness and how to do it. Well, the process of assessing readiness doesn't have to be a complex one. Here are a few key areas to reflect on. Number one, understand your why. Ask yourself why you want to adopt the ketogenic lifestyle and diet. Is it for weight loss, better energy levels, improved mental clarity, or to manage a health condition? Or maybe a combination of what I've mentioned. Your why serves as a powerful motivator and can anchor you when challenges do arise. Now, it's also important to assess, number two, to assess your current lifestyle. Consider how your current habits align with keto principles. Are you someone who frequently snacks on sweets or relies heavily on processed foods? Acknowledging potential obstacles in your current diet can help you prepare realistic strategies to overcome them long term. Number three, evaluate your support system. Do you have family members or friends and acquaintances who understand and support your decision to go keto? Having a supportive environment around you can make a significant difference. If you lack this, consider joining online keto communities or finding an accountability partner or keto coach. Number 4, identify potential barriers. Life is full of events that can derail our dietary goals. Identify foreseeable challenges such as holidays, travel, or social gatherings. Planning ahead for these situations can help you maintain commitment. Always predict and prepare ahead. Number 5, mental and emotional readiness. Changing dietary patterns can stir emotional responses, from frustration to fear of missing out. Are you mentally prepared to handle these particular emotions without turning to comfort foods? Developing stress management techniques or finding non-food rewards can be very helpful. So let's revisit the concept of readiness. One assessment isn't enough. Readiness can fluctuate, and regular check-ins with yourself ensure that you remain aligned with your goals. Reflect monthly or quarterly, celebrating your wins and adjusting where necessary. If you find your commitment wavering, it might be a sign to revisit your personal whys or seek additional resources to reignite your inner motivation. So, commitment is the key. Readiness fuels action, but commitment drives long-term success. Commitment to learning, experimenting with new recipes, and celebrating non-scale victories like improved energy or clear skin. Remember, perfection is not the ultimate goal. Consistency is. When setbacks happen, and they do happen from time to time, view them as opportunities to learn rather than reasons to quit and stop. So my final thoughts: assessing your readiness and commitment to the ketogenic lifestyle is not a one-time task, but an ongoing process. By, on a regular basis, evaluating where you stand, you set yourself up for long-term success, ensuring that the changes you make today become sustainable habits tomorrow. Whether you're just starting out or have been on keto for years, taking the time to reflect can empower you to stay the course and to thrive. And there you are. I hope you found this discussion helpful. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below this video. I would be truly honored if you chose to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and thank you so much for doing that. Again, this has been Stu Weinstock from beautiful Miami, Florida, and we'll speak again with you tomorrow. Take good care. Bye-bye.